I've got this feeling.
So, hi everyone, my name is Natasha, and if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support that you have been showing me. As you can see, I've cut my hair. I think I've cut my hair on the 4th of June. I just get bored of hair and I constantly just change it. So I thought that today I'll do like a get ready with me, like a summer makeup look that you can wear. I'm gonna be wearing this look to a hen do that I have coming up, and I will also be showing you like my outfit that I'll be wearing to the hen do. So you know what, without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Before I start doing my makeup, I'm just gonna let you know like the new products that I did get, and I love using them. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this eyebrow pencil, and this pencil is from Rimmel London, and the color is dark brown. I also got these new eyeshadow palette. So I saw that Natasha Denona, she had an eyeshadow palette, and I really love the colors that they have, but the price for it was really expensive. So I went into my local beauty supply store and I seen that they had this, and Maybelline, the colors on it are like really nude light colors that you can wear, and I thought, you know what, I absolutely love the colors and I thought it'd be perfect especially for summer. So this lip gloss from NYX, I love wearing it. It's like a really light color. It's perfect if you're looking for a nude lip. I absolutely love wearing it, especially if I'm looking for like a no makeup, or on days where I just feel like, you know what, I don't want to wear any lipstick but I just want to put some lip gloss on. Love this lipstick. So it's not lipstick, I love the lip gloss. Final two things that I did get from Beauty Bay is this melt blush, and the blush is called Daydreamer. With this blush, I really enjoy wearing it. It gives you a natural, flawless makeup look, and that's the kind of makeup that I'm into. Lip gloss, it's more of a brighter pink. So with this, I tend to use a little bit of it, and then I just put my lip gloss from NYX over it, and I just think it just gave me like a nude lip. It's not bright and in your face, it's just really like a, but no, I'm just gonna get into, and I'm gonna show you like the makeup look that I'll be wearing. So before I put my makeup on, I normally wear SPF, and I normally wear this one. It's a Dermalogica SPF, and it's in factor 50. So I normally just wear a little bit on my makeup, and I just love that, you know what, it helps protect your skin, because so sometimes we think we don't need to wear SPF because of the color of our skin, but we all need to wear it. And this one, I absolutely really love the smell of it. I'm sure every time I put it on I can smell a little bit, a hint of ginger, so I really love wearing it on my face, and it really protects my skin. So now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use my Fenty primer. It always gives my makeup like a flawless look. Thing for me, when I wear makeup, I don't like it too bright. I like it a bit more calming. So I have makeup on, but it's not too much in your face. But that's just the kind of makeup that I like. So I'm just gonna use my mirror, and if you see me looking down, then you know why I'm doing that. I've gone ahead, oh, and I forgot to let you know that I'm not wearing my skin tint. I normally, if I'm going out, as in going out like for an event or somewhere like that, I would wear my Max Factor foundation, and the shade that I use is the warm hazelnut. I really like this because it's more of a, I think for me the shade, oh, I put a little bit on this.
I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming.
I tend to move between like the skin tint and this Max Factor foundation, because this one's a bit more affordable if you're looking for a foundation. So I did mention that I have a hen do coming up, and you know what, I'm really looking forward to it, because I've never been to a hen do, and I just want to see, not want to see, but I'm quite looking forward to, you know, being able to just go out and have an amazing time out. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows. So like I said, I'm gonna use my Rimmel London eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows. So I normally, when I do my eyebrows, I normally just, I'm not sure if you can see, just turn it again. So now I just line, and then I just fill. That's it. Nothing major, nothing hard about it.
Feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you.
I think for me, eyebrows is like so important, especially when you have short natural hair. You can't hide behind anything. So eyebrows on fleek. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna apply my concealer. Most of the other products I'm using, I did use them in my, when I did my Fenty skin tint makeup review, so I'm not really talking about them as much. So my concealer is a Dio skin corrector, and this is like the best concealer that I've used. So normally I just put a little bit here and I put a little bit at the, I see a lot of TikTok people doing this, and I find that since I've been doing my makeup like this way, or since I've been doing my concealer this way, especially under my eye, I think I prefer that it's not too heavy under my eye, that it just sets a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in and then I'm gonna conceal, you know, under my eyes, and I'm also gonna do like my eyebrows as well.
I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see.
So next I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna put a bit of my Sasha Buttercup setting powder under my eyes, and normally I just like to use a little bit of it.
Wanna wake up, but I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby.
So I'm just gonna let my setting powder like set for a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. And like I said, for this Maybelline Nude of New York palette, so I normally start off with the Artist, then I'll go ahead and I'll add a little bit of Protector and Explorer, and also the Globetrotter Voyager. So this is the Artist on top of it, and I normally just put a little bit over my eye.
Without, I wouldn't know what to, baby.
So with the Voyager and Globetrotter, I just mix the two of them together, and then I'm just gonna make like a C shape.
Without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know.
Now I'm gonna go in with the Protector and Explorer and just mix the two of them together.
I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up.
And like I said, I love the way that when I do it like this, I find that it's not too bright in your face. I'm getting better at it because like I'm not a professional, but I'm getting better at it. Every time I do it, I tend to learn something new, or I understand that sometimes you probably just need to blend a little bit more just to make sure that, you know, it comes out looking perfectly. But this is the way that I do it, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my Fenty. So this is my Pro Filter powder, and it's a foundation powder.
You know, oh, you know, oh, you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
Make sure you get, you know, the side of your face, because sometimes I put makeup on and then I forget, oh, and I'm like, oh, that looks a bit weird. So you need to make sure that, you know, because that's the worst thing. You got makeup on and then at the side of your face you can see where it ends. Nobody likes that look. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Fenty ebony stick, and it's called the ebony matte stick. This for contouring, definitely changed the game for me.
Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and this is a blush. I don't use a bronzer. I'm not sure why. Maybe I haven't got any good one yet. But if you know of any good bronzer, make sure you link it down below so I can have a look. So I normally just go ahead and I'll use this blush, and I use like the dark gold one. And I know you might say blush and use two blush. Yes, I do. So I normally just apply a little bit that side, and I know you might think, what is she doing? But as you can see, this is I like the way that my blush comes out looking. It gives me like, you know what, more of a, it looks a little bit like sun case, like it just gives me that vibes. That's why I really like wearing it that way. So now I'm gonna apply another blush, and this is the, like I said, the Melt blush. And look at it, it does have a little bit of sparkle. I think when you look at it, it looks a bit like it's got a little bit pink sparkles, shimmer inside of it. But with this, I normally just use my finger and just go around in a circle, or the opposite, whatever way. And I have this much, and I just do that. And that's how I apply it to my cheek. I'm not gonna leave it like that. And then now, you need to make sure that you just get your brush, smile away, and there you go. That's all you do, and it just gives you like a really natural, flawless look.
No. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to.
I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my duo mascara. With this mascara, you have to pump it and then you undo it.
Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do.
I like to go ahead and also apply a little bit of my Fenty Beauty, the sample that they sent me. Look at how tiny it is. It looks like if it's a toothpaste, doesn't it? But it's not. And for me, I really like using like the brush, especially in the corner of her eyes. This gets in there.
Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna line my lips because I want like more of a nude look.
I've got this feeling. I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go.
So this is my lip line with like matte chestnut lip pencil. And now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use my lip gloss. So this one, I'm gonna apply the XX. And like I said, this is how it looks, a bit brighter. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this.
I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know
And to finish it off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my NYX.
I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. Now
And this is the full makeup look. So like I said, I'm gonna go get changed and I'm gonna show you the outfit hopefully I'll be wearing, depending on what the weather is gonna be like.
Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving, you can make me lose my breath.
Thank you so much for watching my Get Ready With Me makeup look. I do hope that you enjoyed the video and also the outfit I'll be wearing to the hen do that I have coming up. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and make sure you hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss when I post my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you do take care, and wherever you are, I hope that you are safe. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.